Okay, today we've got an incredible new home to show you with massive street appeal.
3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on 3 levels of finished space and giving big city vibes.
On today's home tour,
If you like modern style,
we've got the home for you.
you'll find our newest listing right here on Q Street in the center of the Churchill community, known for its close proximity to downtown as well as the airport, amazing parks, and incredible restaurants.
Welcome inside this beautiful custom home. Now, before I show you all the way around, I want you to understand some key details. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms over 3 levels, as Dave mentioned earlier. And there's a really unique feature to this home, which is owner financing at just 5%. And you guys, that is so rare in this market and so unique. But I know you guys are here for a home tour, so let's get back to the good stuff.
That's right, guys. Here we have 2,100 square feet of elegant, finished interior space. Let's start looking around this main floor here. It's nice, it's bright, it's open, and it opens up right here into this gorgeous kitchen space. Guys, we've got 9-foot ceilings. We've got quartz waterfall countertops here. We've got a 0 radius sink. We even have these laser cut cabinets that really deliver that ultra modern look. Then we have these beautiful modern looking appliances to really cap it all off.
On this floor, you'll also find this intimate dining space with gorgeous natural light, a spacious hall closet, and a half bath. But my favorite feature on this floor is this gorgeous gas fireplace. At this price point, a fireplace is almost unheard of, but they've taken it a step further with the tile surround, really bringing together that modern look, and this built-in bench makes this home just feel so incredibly custom. This is the place to hang out.
The living room flows really nicely out here onto your covered back deck, the perfect place for grilling or lounging in the summer. You also have a great sized yard with off-street parking on an ideal corner lot.
Before we go to the next floor, let's talk about the staircase. This floating staircase really makes the modern look of this home come together, and it's one of the first things you notice when you come into the house.
And just steps up from the main living area, you'll find 2 bedrooms with generous sized closets, a gorgeous hall bathroom, as well as a laundry room. And at the front of this home is where you'll find the primary bedroom. Guys, you've got incredible natural light in this room.
And can we talk about this closet? There is so much space in here. And I just love the crisp and modern details of this primary ensuite bath.
And y'all know I saved the best for last. This 3rd floor is fully dedicated to outdoor living, and it is something totally unique. If you like entertaining, if you like throwing parties, then just imagine the lifestyle you can enjoy up here with these huge views over downtown Richmond.
Hey, I'm Amanda Seibert.
And I'm Dave Seibert.
And if you're looking for more details, you can find them right below.
And if you never want to miss another great property tour, we've got a great playlist for you right here.